to the 4th of July with a special summer drink from Starbucks. But here's the catch. It is only available until July 7th. So if you want to know what summer in a cup tastes like, you'll have to jump on it right now. Check it out. This is the new firework frappuncino. It's red, white, and blue layers with popping pearls, strawberry puree, and a vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Starby says it's a refreshing, tangy, sweet treat that's perfect for a backyard barbecue, beach, and everything in between. But I just think it's so pretty.
It really is. You know, it kind of looks like a firework. You know, you draw like that cartoon rocket firework. It's really pretty.
I know.
I'm going to have to try it, that's for sure.
Yeah, baby even wanted to say, baby, it's a firework all day. And
baby, you're a firework.
Are you going to make it your firework, though?
You know what? I feel like today's a good day for it because it's so hot. You need some